Start by loosening the bonded seal on the shingles around the damaged area before you lift anything. Begin by softening the adhesive if the weather is cool by applying gentle heat with a hairdryer held several inches away for short bursts of 10 to 20 seconds to avoid melting the shingle granules. Use a roofing siding bar or a flat pry bar with a thin, tapered tip and slide it under the shingle edge at the seal line, working from the far side toward the repair so you do not lift nails or tear adjacent material. If you prefer a non-metal method, wear sturdy work gloves and use your fingertips to flex and roll the shingle edge back and forth until the seal breaks. This is slower but reduces the risk of tearing granules. When you encounter moody shingles that resist separation, pause and reapply short heat bursts or wait until the late morning when the sun has warmed the roof mildly, because aggressive prying on cold, brittle shingles or very soft, hot shingles increases damage. Always support the shingle with your free hand directly above the pry point to distribute force and prevent a single point tear, and keep the motion small and incremental instead of trying to force a long lift. After breaking the seal, clear old cement and debris with a putty knife and, if you will reattach, apply a bead of compatible roof cement under the shingle tab and press down firmly for a tight reseal. Common mistakes include forcing the shingle up quickly, which rips granules and tears the fabric. The fix is to work slowly, use short lifts, and support the shingle with your hand. Another issue is using sharp or thick tools that catch and gouge the underlayment. Use a thin, tapered roofing siding bar or gloved fingers, and keep the tool flat and angled away from the deck. A third frequent problem is trying to pry seals on very hot days when asphalt becomes gummy and pulls away irregularly. Avoid midday heat, use minimal heat if needed, and let the surface cool slightly before finishing the repair. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by connecting people who need repairs with professionals in their area and listing project details that make estimates more accurate. We also help contractors find work and grow their client base, and we host a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople exchange practical tips and first-hand experience about tasks like breaking shingle seals safely.